Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Sendit subscription in your both iPhone and Android. So let's get into it. First of all, iPhone users, go to your iPhone setting and tap your Apple ID at the top. Select subscription. Now find Sendit in the list, tap it and simply tap cancel subscription, then confirm and you are done. For Android users, simply go to the Play Store. After going on Play Store, at the top of your profile icon, you will choose the option called Payment and Subscription. Then go to the subscription. After you have gone here, find the Send It and tap it and hit Cancel Subscription. Note, cancelling prevents future charges but doesn't refund past payments. You will still have access until your billing cycle ends. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Sendit subscription. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help with other apps. And I'll see you in the next one.